in a sentence. Number 1. After 2 plus adjective or adverb. If you find in the sentence 2 plus adjective or adverb, we will use to infinitive. For example, he is too weak to run. He is too weak to run. It means he cannot run because he is so weak. Here 2 plus adjective. 2 plus, in rule I told you that if you find 2 plus adjective or adverb, you will use to infinitive. I have used here to infinitive due to this rule. He is too weak to run. Next rule, after adjective or adverb plus enough. Dear students, if you find adjective, adverb plus enough in the sentence, you will use to infinitive. Here I told you about the 2 plus adjective or adverb, and here I am telling you about the adjective, adverb plus enough if you find in the sentence. Look here, I am giving you example. He is rich. He is rich enough to buy this car. It means he is so rich that he can buy this car very easily. He is so rich. Rich enough. I told you that after the adjective or adverb plus enough, and here also we have found that rich plus enough, so I have used here to infinitive. To infinitive. So like this we have to follow all the rules because we are learning grammar. In spoken everything will do, but in grammar we have to follow the rules. Rule number 3. First, after 2 plus adjective adverb, and second is adjective adverb plus enough, and next number to express purpose. There is a purpose to do every action. Without purpose we don't do any work. Here we go to school to learn. We go to school. हम स्कूल जाते हैं to learn, सीखने के लिए. There is a purpose here in this sentence. Due to this purpose we go to school. Otherwise we don't go to school. We would have not go to school. So here there is a purpose. Due to purpose I have used here to infinitive. He goes to library to learn. My father goes to office to earn. My mother does all the domestic work so that we all can get all the facilities. So in every action there is a purpose. So to show the purpose, to express the purpose, we have to use, or we will use to infinitive to show the purpose. Next, I am writing in last rule, or I meant to say when I was telling you about the rules of bad infinitive, then I told you that some verbs are with whom we have to use to infinitive if they are found in passive voice. Except let, make, bid, see, help, notice, observe, etc. All these verbs which I told you in that rule when we were discussing about the bare infinitives. These verbs, if you find these verbs in passive voice, so we will use to infinitive. For example, I saw him go there. It is active voice. And if I change it into passive, he was seen to go there. It is passive voice. So students, these are the example of active voice and passive voice. So in active voice I have used here bare infinitive, and in passive voice I have used here two infinitives due to this rule. Next, after the verbs of knowing and thinking, like know, assume, consider, think, etc. These are the verbs which always take bare to infinitive. For example, I don't know how to operate this machine. And so there are so many examples in which we can use these verbs. So students, that's all for today. Rest of the part we will discuss in next lecture. So this is all for today. Thank you.